Happy New Year. By the time you get this, it will be the new year. So we will already be on our way to California by the time this comes out. So this is the last video that we make in 2025. And there's a diesel heater for the house. Okay, so why did I get this heater? Well, I've already got two heaters in the van. This is for the house. December was a bad month for us. We had $3,000 worth of damage to a roof leak, and then our AC decided to go and spring a leak as well, causing more damage. So that was the AC and heater, and didn't have no backup for heating in the house. So this is going to be the backup heating for now on. So this is a Hcalory, I believe that's how you pronounce it. Not too sure. We'll get into it. Little unboxing. Okay, so in the actual box itself, had another box, and then it came with this huge manual, which is amazing. I think I said in the last video, the last one was the first one I actually had received in English that you can actually read. This manual is way better than that. So, let's see what it comes with. Okay, this one you can hook up to a battery. That looks like the feet and the bits and bobs to put it all together. With the usual type exhaust. Got the L band for the exhaust. Exhaust tube. We got the heating ducting, air intake muffler, and this should be the USA power brick, 110 volts. Good piece of kit right here. So this is everything that came with the kit. You've got the actual heater itself, you have the exhaust pipe, you have the air out pipe, you got a great manual, 110 volt supply. This cable here is for your control panel in the front. You can remote it further. That is for a battery, if you want to hook up to a battery cable. Like I said, we got the muffler or the exhaust. We got the feet and all the gubbins to put it together. And we got the L bracket for the actual exhaust itself. So that's it. Okay, 4 feet. Looks like they go on pretty simple. Just slide on. And they clip in place. And by the looks of it, you can bolt them to a surface if you have to. Okay, so that is the feet on. Next, I'm going to install the exhaust. The exhaust is always furthest away from the fuel line. So that's the exhaust, that's the air in, okay? So that'll be next. Screwdriver wasn't getting it done, so 6mm. Air intake, the exhaust elbow. I'm about to put on this part of the exhaust. Now these clips they come with, the Jubilee clips, are garbage. I'll definitely buy better ones in the future. These are junk. Okay, so I had other hose clamps in the house, and now this is actually secure. The ones it came with, it wouldn't cinch down on the exhaust pipe, so that would be pretty dangerous. So, okay, that part is done now. Okay, these mufflers, this is be the top, this is the bottom. You can always tell the bottom because it's got a weep hole, so any condensation which is going through it can drip out, so it doesn't rust up the internals. Okay, now some of the more expensive brands don't come with a weep hole, and wherever you situate it, you would drill your own hole so it can weep out. So just a little word of caution there for these things. Okay, these hose clamps are completely terrible. That was just trying to torque it down, tighten it up, and it came completely apart. But I used the ones I already had, so we're doing good. Okay, so we got the air intake attached. We have the exhaust attached finally. We got where the good hot air comes out right here. We got to put some diesel in it. Now this holds 5 liters, so just over a gallon and a quarter. That'll probably last you about 24 hours. So pretty good. So let me plug it in and get some gasoline in it. Not gas, yeah, gas, no, diesel. Let me get some diesel in it, and we'll see if it fires up. Okay, so the fuel filler. It's got a pretty nice little fuel filter in it, so that's nice to see. So we'll put some fuel in it and we'll fire it up. Well, let's try and do first fire up. Let's see if it works with the remote. Does it? It does. It's got the plus and minus on it. I think it goes up to 10. It does. Put about 2 liters of gas. Put about 2 liters of diesel in it, and it should be priming itself. You should hear the pump kick on, and actual pump starting to make the fuel start to flow. Let's take a look at the. This is the app I downloaded. Okay, this thing is kicking now. Let's put it on 4. Should hear it cycling down a little bit. Pump starting to slow down. And the heat is brilliant. Okay, so here's some of the specs of this thing. It actually has carbon monoxide sensor in it, an alarm. It can also be used at altitude, so that's nice to know. So that was the oil pump symbol and the ignition plug that we seen on there. Really happy with this. And this manual, that puts all the rest to shame. Okay guys, this is the last video of the year, and all the grandkids are here.
Happy New Year! Happy New Year!
Happy New Year, guys. We'll see you in the new year. So the heater is a 5 kilowatt, so that's going to be real good for emergencies. heating the house, and I'm real happy with it, minus those clips which were garbage. But yeah, so this will be the last video of this year, and by the time this comes out we will be on the road to California. So it's going through its cool down phase right now. It's turned off, but it's purging, so I'm really happy with that.